Hi, welcome to Mr. M's virtual classroom. Okay, today will be your first lesson. Okay, this will be lesson 1. For this lesson, we are going to actually use construct tree. Okay, but before that, okay, let me just walk through first. Walk through with you. Okay, the two different type of construct. Okay, construct 2. You will need to download into your laptop or desktop. It can be it will work offline. Okay, the other one, right, will be construct tree. This is the one that we are going to actually work on. But either way, if let's say if you decide to actually download the software itself, okay, you can work offline, but both there will be a very slight difference in terms of its interface, but whatever that I am going to teach you, okay, step by step instruction, okay, is applicable to both. So for construct tree, okay, I highly recommend that you register yourself, create an account. Okay, why? Later on I will give you a bit more information with regards to that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to log in into my account first. Okay, because I've already created one. Okay, this is free, so you don't actually need to pay. Okay, all right. Okay, so once you create an account, what happens is that, all right, you will see that there is a slight difference. Okay, so what you can see from here, okay, you can access your own account and then take a look, okay, what is inside it. Yeah, okay. What happens is that you will have some notification, okay, alerts or message of upgrades maybe, okay, but you don't have to worry with regards to that. Okay, whatever is updated, okay, you don't need to do anything, but what you need to do is, okay, just go into your account. Okay, let us just scroll down. Okay, you can try it out. Okay, you have the word free trial. Then what you need to do is click on launch now. Okay, so you will have the welcome screen. Okay, welcome to construct tree. You don't need to if you want to, okay, you of course you can actually read, okay, beginner's guide to construct tree, but I guess what if you follow my tutorial, okay, it will, okay, be a bit more faster. All right, so let's just close this and get on with it. Get on with it. All right, so what you'll have here, okay, you'll have new project, clouds, all right, browser. Because this is your first time doing this, okay, we'll just go to new project. Okay, so what you can do is we'll just do this. Yeah, okay, we are going to create a very easy maze game, so you can, okay, type it as amazing game. Okay, is there a need to change anything else? For now, okay, just leave it as it is. But what you need to do, okay, let's just click on optimize for pixel art. Okay, because you may actually create your own sprite, okay, or character, okay, using the editor inside construct tree. So you want to make sure that when you play it on maybe on your TV screen, okay, on the larger screen, okay, all the sprite will be sharp. Okay, it's not pixelated. Okay, so what we need to do now is click on create bus. All right, on your right side of the screen will be the project bus and also the layout or layers, and what you have in the middle, this is where you're going to actually put in, all right, your sprite, your characters, okay, whatever that you want to have inside your game. Okay, but before that, if you do not have, okay, the bars on the left and on the right, okay, the property bars and the project bars, what you can do, go to menu, okay, under view, okay, make sure that okay, you have this 4, okay, tick, right, but the rest of it you can just leave it as it is. You don't have to have it. So what you need to do, have property bars, you have to have the tick beside it, project bars, tick beside it, layer bars, and the tile bar. Okay, so once you have done that, okay, you will actually see the property bars, the project bars, and the layer at the side of the screen. Okay, now what we are going to do, okay, the one in the middle, I'm going to actually show you something. Okay, this is important, all right, so that you can understand what is going on. Okay, if you want to zoom in and zoom out, okay, what you need to do on your keyboard. Okay, I'm using Windows laptop, so I am going to actually use my control key. Okay, I will click on it, hold, and then I can use the minus or the plus sign on my keyboard to zoom in and zoom out. So now I'm going to zoom out first. Okay, alright, so I will want you to focus on this one first. Alright, if you notice, okay, this white background over here, okay, this is where you are going to actually put in all your sprite, all your characters. Okay, if you were to put it outside, okay, outside of this white background over here, okay, it will not appear on your screen later when you actually play it on your mobile device or your laptop or your desktop. Okay, but what I want you to focus on, can you see this dotted line? Okay, so this dotted line, okay, anything that you put inside here, okay, this will be the first thing that you will see when you click the play button or the preview button. Okay, let me just show you, okay, what I'm talking about. Okay, right? Okay, just focus on this here. Okay, I have one right in the middle of this box. All right, the other one, okay, I will just put it somewhere in between. Okay, this dotted line and the other one. Okay, I'm going to put it somewhere outside. Okay, even though it's within this white background, okay, you will notice that, okay, this one, okay, this blue one is right in the middle of this dotted square box. This one is in between, part of it is inside the dotted square box, dotted box, and half of it is outside, and this is totally outside of the dotted box. All right, so what I'm going to do is, okay, I'm going to click on preview. Okay, can you see now? All right, what is inside, that's the first thing that you'll see. Okay, this is partially inside, so you can see half of it, but the other one is totally, okay, outside of this box, so you won't be able to view. So you have to remember, okay, if you want to have your sprite or your character, okay, to be seen first, okay, you need to make sure that it is inside the dotted box. Yeah, okay, but for today, okay, we are not going to actually use this whole background, white background over here. Okay, we are only going to focus okay, the sprite within this dotted box. So I'm going to delete off this. Okay, so what I'm going to do, okay, I'm going to delete off the rest of this white space over here. I'm just going to focus on this dotted box. All right, so we're going to do this. Okay, I'm going to copy the viewport size. Okay, you can do this, yeah. Okay, what you need to do is click inside here, and then can you see the size? Okay, what we are going to do is we are going to change it. Okay, and then paste. All right, so the size is 854 by 480. Okay, if you do not know how to copy and paste, what you can do is you can just delete off the previous size and then input the new size for it. Okay, so when it's done, just press enter. Okay, and you will only have, okay, the dotted box over here. So I'm going to zoom in. Can you still remember? Okay, control key, press hold, and then press the plus button. Okay, yeah, okay, so let us just put it somewhere in the middle. Okay, what we are going to do first, all right, okay, we are going to actually put in, okay, a very simple object. Okay, do this together with me. Okay, what you can do is right click on your mouse. Okay, insert new insert new object. Okay, what we are going to do is we are going to use the sprite. Okay, what happened here, there's a lot of things that you can actually use, but we are only going to focus a lot on this one. Okay, under general, sprite. Okay, and we are going to name it as wall. Okay, please make it a good habit. Okay, every time when you create a sprite, okay, name your sprite, because by default it will name it as sprite 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so later on, okay, you may confuse yourself, because okay, you will not know which sprite is which when you are actually doing something with regards to the event sheet. Okay, event sheet, I will give you more details with regard to that. Okay, but what you need to do is, okay, click on sprite, name your sprite. Okay, I will name it as wall, and then I will click on insert. Okay, and you realize that your browser now, okay, it will be okay, it will turn into a plus sign over here. What you need to do is left click, right, and you will go to the editor. Okay, so what are we going to do with that? Okay, we are going to just fill up color. Okay, can you see that there's a fill bucket over here? Click on it and you will see the color palette. So choose the color that you want. For now, I'm going to choose black. Okay, just use the slider. Okay, go towards the left and you should have the color black. Okay, so you will know, okay, this is the color that you already chosen. Okay, the black one. The one behind the white color will be the background. So you are going to actually choose the foreground. Okay, still using the fill bucket over here, what you need to do is just click inside the box. Okay, then you will have a black square over here. Okay, what do you need to do next is make sure, okay, don't get it wrong, yeah. Okay, there is 3 axes over here. Okay, so what you need to do, make sure that you don't click on this. You're going to actually close your browser. Okay, I have a student previously, okay, after doing you know, the sprite over here, and they accidentally go and click on the browser, and then everything is gone. Okay, so what you need to do is make sure that you only click on your editor over here. Okay, click on it, close, and immediately you will see, okay, your sprite inside the screen. Okay, so we are going to create a wall or some kind like some kind of a maze. All right, so okay, we will just do this. Okay, we're going to do this quickly. Okay, make it as simple as possible. Later on, all right, if you want to make it a bit more challenging, right, okay, you can do a better maze. So but what I'm going to do is I'm going to just do a very simple one. Okay, for now, all right, this particular wall, okay, it have no function. It's just a graphic. Okay, meaning that if, let's say, if you were to do anything to it, it will not respond. It will just be, you know, something like you know, a picture as a background. So what we need to do is we are going to actually add on a behavior to it. Okay, just click on the wall. Okay, on your left side of the screen, okay, you will see behavior, add edit. Okay, just click on the behavior. All right, and what you need to do next is add new behavior. Okay, because a wall, okay, it needs to be solid. All right, so that nothing can pass through it. So it's pretty much logical to actually put in, okay, solid as a behavior. All right, and then click on add. Okay, so you will have a solid for your wall. You can close it now. Okay, now we are going to actually use use this lots and lots of time. Are you going to actually create again and again? Are you going to actually create more walls? You don't need to. What you can do, okay, click on it, right click, and then copy. All right, right click again, paste. All right, so what we are doing is, okay, we have a copy of the first wall. Okay, but if you were to look at the name, okay, it's actually the same. And if, let's say, you were to look at the behavior, all right, it will retain, okay, the same behavior as the one that you just copied. Okay, so you can paste again. All right, this time around, okay, I'm going to actually rotate. I can do it manually. Okay, what I can do is, okay, put my cursor on the corner, and you will see okay, your cursor, okay, turn into this two arrow which shows that you can actually rotate it left or right. Okay, you can do that, or the easiest way is look at the property bars over here under angle. What you can do is just put it as 90. Okay, and you can just move it somewhere around there. We just put it you know, at the edge of the box lah. Yeah, okay, so what we can do with this, all right, we can copy again and then paste. Remember, okay, right click, copy, and then right click again, paste. Right, okay, so okay, you will have this box. Okay, what we are going to do next, okay, later on we are going to actually use the wall, okay, to create maze. Okay, if let's say you have the time, okay, I will just create a quick one. Okay, I'll just let you okay, do your own maze. Okay, so I'm going to paste it again. All right, and of course I can actually shorten it, okay, by just choosing, okay, this box on the top on the side of the sprite over here. Yeah, okay, you can make it thicker if you want to. All right, very simple. Okay, you can copy again, paste, and you can just quickly do it. Okay, I'm going to fast forward this. Okay, but for you, you can, all right, in your own time, okay, create your maze. Okay, okay, I've just created a very simple maze. Okay, of course I think you can do much better than what I did over here. Okay, but for this one, okay, because I want to just create a very simple one, okay, so I think it should be good enough. Okay, all right, just the final touch. Okay, now you already have your maze over here. Okay, so what we are going to do next, okay, we are going to actually add on, okay, your player. Alright, so what can you do? Can you still remember how to create your own maze? Okay, so I will end this here. Okay, I will go to lesson 2. Okay, how to create your player. Okay, so take your time. Okay, finish up, and then I'll get back to you. Okay, in lesson 2. Okay, bye bye.